Welcome, everyone. I'm excited to kick off this presentation on building the future with precision. Today, we'll be exploring the fundamentals of building construction, starting with the structural core. We'll cover key concepts that are essential for understanding how buildings come together. So, let's dive in and discover what makes modern construction both reliable and innovative. Let's start with the land selection and survey. This is a crucial first step where we choose a location that best fits the project's needs. We also conduct soil testing to understand the ground conditions, which helps us identify any potential issues early on. Next comes the design and planning phase. Here, we collaborate with architects and engineers to create detailed building plans and specifications. This step ensures that everyone is on the same page and that the design aligns with our goals and regulations. Then, we move on to budgeting and estimation. Developing a thorough budget is essential to keep the project financially on track. It involves estimating costs for materials, labor, and other expenses, giving us a clear financial roadmap. Following that, we need to obtain permits and approvals. Submitting our plans to the relevant authorities is necessary to get all the required permits. This ensures our project complies with local regulations and avoids any legal issues down the line. Finally, we focus on hiring a contractor. Selecting a qualified contractor to oversee the building phase is key. They bring the expertise needed to manage the construction process efficiently and ensure quality workmanship. All these steps set a strong foundation for the pre-construction phase, helping us move smoothly toward successful project completion. Now let's take a closer look at the construction phase. First, site preparation is essential. This involves clearing the land of any debris, leveling the ground to create a solid working surface, and accurately marking the layout according to the plans. This step sets the foundation, quite literally, for everything that follows. Next comes excavation and foundation work. We dig trenches for the foundation, which is a critical step, because a strong, stable base is vital for the building's integrity. Once the trenches are ready, we pour concrete into them to form the foundation. This ensures the structure can withstand loads and environmental forces. Moving on to the superstructure, this is where we start building the main support system of the building. This includes constructing columns, beams, and slabs that will carry the load and define the building's shape and stability. Then we proceed with masonry work, building the walls using bricks, blocks, or other materials. This not only provides enclosure and security, but also contributes to the building's overall strength and insulation. Following that, we work on roofing. We construct the roof slab and apply a weathering course, which is crucial for protecting the structure from weather elements like rain and sun, ensuring durability over time. Finally, electrical and plumbing installations are integrated into the structure. This involves installing concealed wiring, piping, and the main electrical boards. These systems are vital for the building's functionality and safety. All these steps are interconnected, forming a cohesive process that moves us from raw land to a fully functional building, aligned with the overall project goals. Now we're moving into the final stages of the construction process. First, plastering involves applying a smooth layer of plaster to both interior and exterior walls. This step is crucial for achieving a clean, finished look and preparing surfaces for painting or other finishes. Next, we install the flooring materials, such as tiles, which not only define the aesthetic of each space, but also add durability and ease of maintenance. Then, we come to fitting the doors and windows, installing the frames, shutters, and fixtures like countertops and cabinets. These elements are essential for functionality and safety, as well as contributing to the overall design. Following that, the final electrical and plumbing work is carried out. This includes completing all electrical fittings, ensuring everything is up to code, and installing sanitary ware like sinks, toilets, and showers. After that, we focus on the interior and exterior finishing touches, painting the walls, applying wallpapers, and completing exterior development such as landscaping and driveways. These details really bring the project together, enhancing both appearance and usability. Next, thorough final inspections and quality checks are essential. These ensure that everything meets the required standards and that the building is safe and ready for use. Finally, the project reaches its conclusion with the handover to the client. This marks the completion of the journey, where the building is now ready to serve its purpose and welcome its new occupants.